Hi, I'm Brian with PEERtrainer, and I'd like to introduce you to a new product we're offering called Daxibe QOL. Daxibe QOL is an essential amino acid supplement, which is often shortened simply to EAAs. This supplement was originally developed to help treat cachexia in cancer patients and sarcopenia in the elderly. Cachexia and sarcopenia are two medical terms for when the body starts to lose too much muscle and becomes weak. This is a fairly common issue associated with aging because as we grow older, our muscles actually become resistant to protein. In fact, studies suggest that it takes 2 times as much protein to maximally stimulate muscle growth in a 60-year-old muscle as in a 20-year-old muscle. For a 60-year-old, a full 40 grams of protein is required, which is equivalent to nearly a full chicken breast, 7 ounces of steak, or 2.5 cups of beans. To meet these requirements at every meal, every day is a challenge, but scientists discovered that simply supplementing with essential amino acids was enough to ward off muscle wasting. Daxibe QOL is good for more than just preventing muscle loss, though. Daxibe QOL is an excellent supplement for those who want to lose fat weight and not muscle weight, and also for those who want to gain more lean muscle mass and improve their overall health. Before we talk about how Daxibe QOL can help you with your weight loss goals, let's quickly go over what exactly essential amino acids are. Our entire body is made up of proteins, from our skin, nails, and hair to our organs and muscles. Even our bones are made out of proteins. In order to create these proteins, our body uses amino acids, which are divided into two groups, non-essential amino acids and essential amino acids. Non-essential amino acids are amino acids that our body can produce by itself if it is given the right building blocks. There are 11 of them, and since we can create them ourselves, they aren't that important to get from our diet. The remaining 9 amino acids are essential, which means we absolutely must get them from our diet. We cannot create them ourselves. These are the amino acids found in Daxibe QOL, which are so great for muscle growth and fat loss. Essential amino acids are really important. Without them, our body cannot make the proteins it needs to survive, whether it be muscle or red blood cells. Even more importantly, essential amino acids send a signal to our body to build these proteins. Essential amino acids go even further than helping the body build muscle. They can also significantly increase weight loss. Even more importantly, because they help the body retain muscle, more of that weight lost will be fat, not muscle. Not only is this more desirable from the standpoint of health and appearance, it will also help make sure your metabolism doesn't start dropping. A sluggish metabolism can slow or even stop your weight loss attempts. Emerging evidence suggests that one of the ways essential amino acids can help you lose weight faster is by helping your body regulate blood sugar. Your blood sugar is a powerful signal which can turn on and off other signals. These signals help us determine whether we are hungry or not. When blood sugar gets low, your body sends out signals which say, "time to eat," regardless of when your last meal was. This is one of the reasons why, when you have a sugary snack, it doesn't do very much to satisfy you and you wind up hungry again shortly afterwards. The sugar quickly increases our blood sugar, but just as quickly causes it to dip again. When blood sugar dips, our body thinks it's time to eat again. Essential amino acids help your blood sugar stay stable, even if you haven't eaten in a long time. In one study, researchers fed participants either a high carbohydrate diet, which was low in essential amino acids, or a high protein diet, which was rich in essential amino acids. After 10 weeks on these diets, the carbohydrate group had trouble keeping their blood sugar stable for the 12 hours while they slept. The protein group, on the other hand, had very stable blood sugar, even after 12 hours without food. While it's unlikely you're going to go 12 hours without food, except when sleeping, even during shorter periods of time, your blood sugar will be much more stable if you consume plenty of essential amino acids. So you might be wondering now, how much can Daxibe QOL help? In one study, participants who consumed meal replacements with supplemental essential amino acids lost on average 4 more pounds over 2 months than those who had comparable meal replacements but without the added essential amino acids. Both groups ate the same amount, the only difference was how many essential amino acids they consumed. In a large-scale review of the diets of Americans and other nationalities, the total amount of essential amino acids consumed per day was inversely correlated with obesity. This means that the more essential amino acids consumed on a daily basis by each person, the less likely that person was to be overweight or obese. What is most startling about the findings from both of these studies is how easy it is to add essential amino acids to your diet. This is not a major lifestyle change like exercising more frequently or cutting calories. All that is necessary is to include a packet or two of Daxibe QOL into your daily routine. This simple act alone will do more for helping you lose weight than almost any other easy change. So what makes Daxibe QOL different than other essential amino acid supplements, or different than just having a protein shake? First, if you've ever tried a mass-market essential amino acid supplement, you know that they're not for the faint of heart. Essential amino acids are bitter, and they don't mix well with water. The result is a supplement you try your best to choke down, and then when you finally manage it, you feel sick. Taking a supplement shouldn't be so hard. Second, while you can get plenty of essential amino acids from a protein shake, it's not always convenient and it can be hard to carry protein shakes around with you everywhere just in case. It's also not always the right time to have something as filling as a protein shake, but Daxibe QOL is always convenient, simple to use, and doesn't require you to prepare and eat an entire meal. Daxibe QOL is formulated to not be bitter and to mix easily. All you need is water and something to stir with, and you are all set. Because Daxibe QOL isn't a meal, like a protein shake, you can have it before you exercise without feeling weighted down by your stomach or getting sick. If it's too early to have a full meal, you can have a light snack with some Daxibe QOL and feel satisfied without overindulging. Even during a regular meal, Daxibe QOL can fill in some nutritional gaps if you don't have a high-quality source of protein available. Knowing all this, what are some of the ways you can incorporate Daxibe QOL into your routine? 1. Have some first thing in the morning with a little juice or water before you exercise. Daxibe QOL will help your blood sugar stay steady during exercise, help your body build muscle afterwards, and help maximize the fat you burn during exercise. 2. Have it in the mid-afternoon between lunch and dinner with some nuts and crispy vegetables. Daxibe QOL will take the edge off your hunger, allowing you to feel better right up to dinner. 3. Have a salad for lunch and supplement it with Daxibe QOL mixed with water. Daxibe QOL will ensure your body gets enough essential amino acids even from a low protein or low calorie meal. 4. Carry it around with you just in case. The individual sachets are small and convenient, which means you can enjoy Daxibe QOL no matter what situation you wind up in. Regardless of how you choose to use it, Daxibe QOL is a powerful tool to help you lose weight and maintain lean muscle. Daxibe QOL is PEERtrainer approved and currently available for sale in the PEERtrainer shop. Thank you for listening, and we hope Daxibe QOL will help you achieve your goals.